Hey, hey, yeah. Special day, nigga. Let's go. Young nigga, what them say? Young nigga, what that feel? Say, young nigga, with them shit.
YouTube, what is good, man? This is B back with another pack opening. So I've been trying to wait for next door. They're all around us. They're doing construction, and they just apparently are going to be doing it all day, every day, starting at 6 o'clock in the morning. It is miserable. It sucks. They're loud. They don't care.
Oh God! It just.
Hi.
Honey, bring me my BC headache powder and a glass of water.
In any event, on a brighter note, found some prime packs. Got some NFL. Got 2 NFL, and I got a baseball one. I've been searching for these, man. I've seen other people rip them. You have 1 hobby pack, and then 2 regular packs and a bonus pack. The baseball is just 1 hobby pack, 1 pack, and a bonus card. So you get less than the baseball for I don't know why. But a hobby pack for $9 is a great deal. Of course, you know, you have to get lucky like everything else. In the back here, got a little rated rookie Arthur Brown. I got that out of a hobby box, Prominence 2013. It was like $60, 50 some dollars. It was fun to rip. Got my Dak Prescott, big Cowboys fan, so got that mosaic. So I think it's the Will to Win. Yeah, it's not a real valuable card, but I like it. And then I went ahead and threw up a little Chase Claypool rookie. Beautiful cards. If you guys get a chance to open them, I recommend you do. If you can find them at retail, especially. Alright, so prime packs. I guess, you know what? Why don't we go with the baseball first, and then we'll hit the football. So,
alright, you people ready to have some fun?
Really excited to open these. Never have had the chance. But hobby packs for $10, like I said, is a good deal. Sorry about the construction if you guys can hear it. They don't care. Alright, so let's throw that one away. We have a Diamond Kings Baseball 2020. This is obviously not the hobby. Here's a Don Russ. This one says hobby right on it. Cool. And then they give you a little card right here. Aaron Shortridge, first Bowman. Why they put the 1 card in there is beyond me. So, let's go ahead and check this out, huh? Dang. Man, that's some serious foil. Yeah, I mostly just do football, but man, these prime packs and hobby packs, like I said, it's like $8, $9, man. You can't beat that. Alright, let's see what we got here. I've never opened this product before. Never even seen it. Kind of like gritty. Paul Goldschmidt with a bent top. That sucks. Mookie Betts. Cool looking cards. Nolan Arenado. And what's this behind here? A all-time Diamond Kings Ted Williams, huh? Neat. No idea if it's rare or what it is, huh? And then we have a Gallery of Stars. Dang, it bent all the cards. That's just terrible. Well, that sucks. In any event, though. Cool. Now, drink of water. Alright, on to the hobby pack. So this one has 8 pro baseball trading cards. Hobby, Panini. Looking for the hits. Kind of go a little slower through these. Alright. Throw that off to the side. Get that off the side. Alright, Don. I didn't even know they made baseball cards. Oh. Alright, we have a Cole Hamels. A John Lester. Base. A Doug Fister. for the Washington Baseball Club. A Melka Cabrera. Melky? Melki? Oh man, I probably jacked his name up. And a Xander Bogaerts. Let's find this one. A Wei Yin Chen. And we do what appears may be a hit. Let's see who we got. A Giannis Yepstes. Oh, that's nice. Boy, I sure was hoping for a auto, but that's cool. It doesn't appear to be numbered or anything, but yeah, that's nice, like a refractor. And being I have no idea anything about these cards, I just put this in the sleeve just in case it is valuable. I doubt it, highly doubt it, but you never know. Cool. And the last one is a Diamond Kings, huh? Joe Maher. Joe Maher. Yeah, like lower end cards. I don't know if that's like supposed to be there or in any event, not numbered. So doesn't look like we actually did get a hit. I don't think. I mean, I don't know. Hits for me usually mean like, you know, parallel or numbers or an auto, but nonetheless, cool. A little anticlimactic, but let's go ahead and get into the football. One hobby pack, 2 packs, 1 bonus card. I heard they love to put Leaf in here. And so it also says look for randomly inserted high-end hobby packs. I watched a lot of people rip this. I've never actually seen a high-end hobby pack in one of these. But hey, who knows, right? That's why you open them. Alright. Set that back there. Alright, our bonus card will be a Julian Edelman Prestige 2017. Neat. Alright, what do we got here? It looks like we got a pack of Score. I don't see a year on there. Maybe I'm just not looking hard enough. 2016, I think. And a pack of Leaf, of course. And I'm gonna assume that this is the hobby pack. Panini's Contenders 2015. So cool, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Let's get into this next one. I can only assume it probably might be the same. I don't know. I know they like to double up stuff, so. The bonus card will be a Zach Cunningham. Oh, rookie. That's neat. 2017 rookie, huh? Cool. Like the rookie cards. Who likes the rookie cards? Another pack of Score, which I can only assume is the 2016. Yes. A pack of Leaf. And another 2015 Contenders. So, why don't we go ahead and set those over there, and we'll rip the Leaf first because it's Leaf. Best you can hope for out of here is a Joe Burrow with no NFL logos or anything on it. We got Lynn Bowden Jr., Steven Montez, hey, Jerry Jeudy, Justin Herbert, I might as well go and throw him in there, and J.K. Dobbins. Oh, Justin Herbert, not bad. It's Leaf, but you know, we put rookie quarterbacks in sleeves. At least I do. I recommend you do as well. And the next 2020 Leaf Draft Football Pack. Alright, let's check it out. We're gonna have James Morgan. God, that guy, I just keep seeing this guy. KJ Hill. Tua, that's cool. Stanley. And another Tua. Alright. A couple Tua cards from Leaf. Again, not really valuable because they don't. Oh, great. They don't put the logos or anything. I don't think they can use college logos, NFL logos. How they're able to use or have rights to the players' names, I don't know. But nonetheless, we'll take them. Alright, moving along. Let's hop into the score. I don't know if this is the year with Patrick Mahomes, but I think that was 2017, so it might be off a year. Alright, let's check it out, huh? Score. This is one of the lower end products, to my understanding. But hey, let's rip it. Got a Sean Lee. Go Cowboys. We got a Stephon Diggs. Cameron Jordan. Ryan Kerrigan. Derek Morgan. Let's see, this is going to be Antonio Gates, Jimmy Graham. Reflections. So it's kind of neat. Got a that's not numbers or anything. No. Neat though. Carson Palmer, signal callers. Derek. Oh, hold on one second. Any numbers? Nope. No numbers. Derek Carr, signal callers. Nothing of particular interest there. Cam Chancellor, stoppers. And a Laquan Treadwell, rookie. Jonathan Williams, rookie. Whoa, and a Zeke Elliott, rookie. Hey. I'll take that. Zeke rookie. Alright. Go Cowboys. Zeke rookie card. That's cool. God, though, that made the pack open right there. Not to say I wouldn't like something else, but still. Yeah, Zeke rookie card. Cool. Alright, and there's a code. I don't know if you still use it. Kid Reporter. I assume it's probably not. Anyhow, so Jonathan Williams, Laquan Treadwell. Very neat, very neat. Alright, on to the next pack of Score. I don't believe... Yeah, these are just regular packs. I believe. Alrighty. Hoping for something nice. Julio Jones. Base. Another Jordan Cameron. Base. Jeez, amazing. Denard Robinson. Base. Oh my goodness. Is each one like this? Melvin Ingram. Base. Keenan Allen. Base. And what's behind here? Chain Reaction. Chain Reaction, huh? John Brown. Oh, insert. Not numbered or anything, but pretty neat. Next we got Sidelines. Larry Fitzgerald. Behind that we have a... Hold one second. Oh, behind that we have a No Fly Zone. Josh Norman back... Oh, knocking away from my Cowboys, huh? Back when... not numbered. Back when he was good. And a Stoppers Mark Barron. Alright, on to the rookies, huh? Malcolm Mitchell. Von Bell. And a Vernon Hargraves. Rookie. And something, I don't know what that is. You can have it though. I have no idea. This looks like gold or whatever. Anyhow, pretty neat. So out of those two Leaf packs, got a couple Tuas and a Zeke rookie card. That's really cool. Alright, on to the hobby packs. 8 cards per pack. Find autographs from the top 2015 NFL draft picks. Hoping to get something decent. Alright, let's see what this is. So, we got a Johnny Manziel. Oh man, Johnny Football. Wow. Boy, did he really mess up. Really messed up bad, didn't he? Yeah. Man, yeah, a really young Jason Witten. Wow. Alright. Next we have a Vincent Jackson. And what's going to be behind here? It's going to be a Zach Mettenberger. Passing grades. And it looks like a reflective Eddie Goldman. Nothing too special about that one. And alright, and a Clive Walford. And what's this one? Malcolm Brown School Colors. And Old School Colors, Carson Palmer. Numbered to nothing. Numbered to nothing. So that was a pretty bunk.
Hey, Bri?
Yeah?
Ah! Damn it! Ah! There's glass in my eye! Oh!
Moving on to the last pack. And no hits out of that one. See none that out of here either. Alright, we got a season ticket. That's neat. Earl Thomas. Seasons ticket, Demarius Thomas. And a I'm not sure, seasons ticket, Ryan Tannehill. Colgate Connections, AJ Green and Justin Houston. And then we're just right into these ones, I guess. A Vince Mail. Philip Dorsett. School Colors, Buck Allen. And a Old School Colors, Aaron Rodgers. Wow, that's pretty neat. Numbered to nothing. Cool. In any event, so that Zeke rookie, man, that's probably my favorite one. I don't know its value or anything, but I like Zeke. Alright, man. Hey, thanks for hanging out. Sorry if you guys had been listening to construction. They never stop. It's really fun at 6 o'clock in the morning when they just start banging away. Alright, man. Hey, you guys have a good one, and thanks for hanging out. And oh, like I always forget, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.